This gadget is literally the best tool I've ever used to peel a hard-boiled egg. Just crack the egg on the side, slide the metal groove under the shell, and the plastic piece perfectly fits over it. I was amazed at how effortlessly it worked. Plus, you can use the end to slice the egg. This is a mug that has cooling gel placed between thick plastic, so you can just stick it in the freezer, pull it out when you want to drink, and then it'll keep your drinks cooler for longer. It won't sweat, and the silicone sleeve will keep your hands from getting too cold. This multi-directional grater that helps me grate cheese so much faster because it's constantly grating no matter what direction you are moving at it. It's also super strong and works well with vegetables and Parmesan. This is an egg device that will help you make perfectly round eggs. You can flip the egg super easy, and then you just squeeze it to put it on the plate. This device that will help you cut your sandwiches into cool heart shapes, so you or your kids might actually eat it all. This device is great, that's one main purpose is to make the amazing little crosscuts and hot dogs that give it a really nice texture and make your hot dogs taste better. This is grip sticks that you can use on bags by folding it over and then sliding it down the crease. It's airtight, so easy and honestly pretty fun to use. This new towel that is designed to clean stainless steel appliances, so you don't have to use those weird smelling wipes. It says you just have to add water and then scrub it down with this side and dry it with this one. This is a can opener that has a bottle opener on it. And once you lock it in place, you just crank it back and forth until the can is open. The Splatipus jar spatula has a unique platypus-shaped design that easily scoops and scrapes every bit of food from jars and containers.